Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tim Iqbal, your portrait and fashion photographer and also a cinematographer based in London, UK. So today guys, I want to share with you guys the behind the scene of how I got these photos. So guys, this was quite a easy setup and an easy shoot to actually pull off, as if you've been watching my videos on this channel, you would know I oftentimes have my go-to light and setup many a times, except if I'm trying to be very creative about it. So but this particular shoot was quite a fun shoot, as I got the models from a modeling agency out here in the UK, which is BAME Models. So the model in this particular shoot, I think her name is V, and we had an amazing team of makeup artists, hairstylists who actually came together to like pull up the pieces out, bring out the idea itself. So we created a mood board already before the shoot, which you guys can see right here. I used the Milan Notes application to actually put together the mood board, so this enabled the shoot to be much more like seamless. We had the stylist already prepared to like bring the outfit, and the outfit was actually very nice itself. So yeah, and let me go straight to the light and setup of how I actually got the shot. It's quite easy setup. The main light was actually the light in the 7-foot parabolic umbrella, which was directly behind me, and as you guys can see in this picture right here, which actually depicts the way I took the photo. So I had the very large parabolic umbrella, which was my main light, with the Godox AD600 in this particular light, and the other thing I actually placed in this particular setup to get the light looking a little bit contrasty and having definition to my shadow, instead of me just having the light spread out generally in this particular setup, I decided to put two black, I will call them foam board, but it wasn't actually foam board. It's more like the black side of a reflector. So you know, reflector has the silver side, white side, black side. So I decided to use two large reflectors, the black side of it, because I don't have my foam board painted black yet at my studio. So I decided to use this black side at both sides of the models, and the reason why I did that was because, you know, black definitely absorbs light. So I decided to add this so I can have much more contrast and defined shadow around our cheekbone, around, you know, just to have that much more defined shadow on the model. And this is the images we got from it. So guys, for the same look, but let's say it's different lighting setup, I decided to switch the lighting around. This time I decided to put two lights this time. So the lights were camera left. One of the lights was acting as my main light, which was the light in the 5-foot softbox, and the second light, which I was still using, the 7-foot parabolic umbrella, that was acting as my fuel light. And I decided to use a white foam board to bounce back light to the shadow area of the shot, and yeah, the images we got from it too. The camera I used in this particular shoot, I used the Sony a7 IV with the Tamron 28 to 75 for the full length shot, and also I used the Sigma 70 to 200 Sport for the close-up beauty headshot. And yeah, those are the equipments I actually used to get this shoot done, and really it's just, I think it's just an easy kind of setup that anyone can actually like pull off. It doesn't matter the kind of space you have, even in the smallest space you can actually pull this off. So I hope you guys have been able to learn something from this particular shoot or this particular video right here. If you think you have, kindly hit the like button and subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.